Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of Switch to Electric YouTube channel. I'm today with Sebastian and with his lynk&co 01.
Yeah,
This is the name.
right.
Hi Sebastian, could you please tell me more about your car?
Yeah, sure. What do you want to know? It's a special concept. I don't know any car that has these features yet in the Netherlands. So I'm talking about the rental program, and it's a private lease. It's a 1 month subscription. So normally you would rent these kind of cars for a year or maybe 3. But you can cancel this if you want to get rid of it after 1 month.
And how much do you pay per month?
550 euros.
And you say that you can rent it, right?
Yeah, 550 euros is quite expensive if you ask me. But if people borrow your car through the application, you can pay less than 550 euros.
And did you rent it until now?
Yeah, quite a lot.
So you are based in Zaandam, right?
True.
And so it's like, if I want to rent now the car, where can I find it? How is the process?
You can find the application in the App Store. And then you can find my car by finding it on the map in Zaandam. And then you can make a reservation. After you made the reservation, I'll get a push notification that somebody wants to rent my car, and then if I need it, I will cancel it. But if it's okay, then I accept, and then you can open the car with your phone.
And it's limited kilometers, or you can you ask like
yeah, that's for me that's a bit of no, it's not a problem, but that's a negative side of the car. For me, I can only drive 1250 kilometers per month. But if I don't use them, the kilometers, I can use them the next month. So if I have the car for like 2 months, I can drive 2,500 kilometers.
Okay.
And the kilometers that are when people drive my car, so it's not on my name, the kilometers won't be accounted on my subscription.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah.
Like that you can, maybe 1 month you go on holiday, you say I don't need a car,
yeah.
You rent it,
yeah.
And you still keep like 1,250 kilometers,
yes.
And you rent it maybe for 1 week, and the people are driving like 1,000 kilometers.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. They can drive as much as they want.
And why lynk&co?
Yeah, why lynk&co? I don't. There's nothing like this.
How many kilometers? Because you say that is a plug-in hybrid, right?
Yeah.
And how many kilometers can you drive?
To work, you can drive like 60 kilometers approximately.
And so are you charging? You have a charging point of just like normal?
There are 2 options. You have like a normal plug for the normal household plugs, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But you also have the special charging plug, and those come the both of them, they come with the car.
Mm-hmm.
So the normal plug charges not so fast, but if you're not in a hurry, you can charge it in like 8 hours. So when I park it at home at night, the car charges, and in the morning I don't have a charging station at home, so but I don't need it either this way.
And since when you have the car?
Since December.
So it's quite new. It's like 1 month, 2 months.
Yeah. When I got it, it had 3 kilometers on the.
Oh, so you get the car new?
Yes.
Okay. It's not like you take from someone else and.
No, maybe they do that, but not with me. Maybe I was lucky. I don't know.
Yeah. So you are like 2 meters and a couple centimeters. And how is the car for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's comfy, it's big enough? Or?
Yeah, it's big enough. I always need a big car, but it's okay. I got the chair set to the maximum.
And it's your only car? or do you
Yeah,
have more
I
cars?
only have this car, but I also have a bike, so a motorcycle, you know.
Yeah. Also, the interior it's really clean. I see you have like a big screen in middle.
Yes.
And you have also children of
No.
no, so just for 1-2 people without children,
No, but
it's more than enough.
somebody already took the car who had children. It was no problem. You can also check the cables. Those are underneath.
No, that's also it's smart.
Yeah, I took that from home.
So this one and this cable, these two,
Yeah.
you get it
With
with
the
the
car.
car.
Yes.
So you are so if you take and how much do you need to wait to get the car? So if I want today to do the same like you to rent the car.
Oh, I ordered it in August, and I got the car in December. But I was told that the waiting time gets longer. Now you have to wait for like half a year.
So it's not like
The car gets,
I like the concept.
yeah,
Let's.
but the car is getting more popular. If I look on the streets, I see them more and more. I think this might be a new way of driving.
And why the black one you choose?
Yeah, I like the color. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
You are happy with the car.
I'm really happy with the car.
There are also things that you don't like about the car.
Well, yeah, not about the car especially, but more the application for rental. Sometimes, yeah, it has errors because it's in beta version right now, and they don't charge people yet to rent a car. They are planning to pick a percentage of the rental money. But because of the beta version, they don't do that yet. So
So if you ask like €10 per day, the €10 is for you.
Yeah.
And in future will be like they will take like 10%, so that
Yeah.
will be like €1.
Something
and
like
9
that.
minutes.
I don't know how much it will be, but something like that.
To make like a commercial for your to rent the car, how you will describe the car and how you'll approach the. So now let's say it's up to you.
Well, if you'd like to rent this car for a fair price, you can find the application in the App Store. It's the lynk&co app. Then you'll see the car on the map, make a reservation, and yeah, take it away.
And in the app you can also see the price, how much you ask per day. So the price is standard like €10 or €50 a day, or you can change it.
I can decide the price. Now I charge 40 euros a day and €5 an hour. And that's quite cheap if you compare that to rental companies. And I get quite a lot of bookings right now. So maybe in the future, yeah, the price will go up a bit. Also, some things about the application. I would like to be able to chat with the people who rent my car.
Oh yeah. So you cannot.
That's not possible. I can only see that somebody wants to rent it, but I cannot write a message to them or. Yeah, but I think in the future they will develop those kind of features.
I really like the concept. I knew it before. Rent it, yeah, in Zandam. Like I say, you take the ferry boat and you are in Amsterdam North.
Yeah.
Not North, Amsterdam, nearby Sloterdijk.
Westport.
Westport, yeah. There in Zandam you have also a lot of shopping center and if the people, I need to go to Hornbach of a different company to Lynbacker.
Yeah.
To buy something. Oh, I don't have a car. Yeah, you can just
take it. Yeah.
take it and
it's. I also live nearby a train station.
Oh, so that one it's.
So people can come by train, take the car, and do what they want, and then bring it back, and then go home by train.
Oh, so if you don't want to see
sunlight,
yeah.
Close it. chairs are heated.
Also on the back or just in
No,
the front?
only in front.
In the front. I really, like I say, I really like the.
It's
car.
quite luxury for the price you pay. I think it's yeah, it's pretty cool.
Also, I read that maybe they are going to do it electric, the new
Yeah,
EV.
I read that as well.
Are you going to electric one of? Because I saw a lot of people. No, if they switch to electric, I'll stay with this one because I like it. This and
I like the hybrid function as well, but for me it would be better to have a bigger electric range.
yeah.
But not to get rid of the fuel part.
So you want to keep it both?
Yeah, I
so
want
like,
to give it both, but I want to expand the electric part.
So you want like instead 60, 100 kilometers electric,
yeah,
at least,
yeah,
and you still get also the combustion motor.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
I hope this video will help you to get more people. I'll try to share on the app. Look for the car. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment the video and turn the notification on, and see you next week. Bye bye.